In today's class, we are going to discuss more brief about the WordPress designing, how to create the pages, live chat, how to use the widgets. I'll give you the brief knowledge about the WordPress designing. And in the last 20 to 30 minutes, I will discuss one concept about how to drive sales to the institute, what are the do's and don'ts, trainer and the counselor or the institute sales head should perform. Okay, so we'll start WordPress. This is one of the site made by my student intern. So first of all, how to log into the WordPress dashboard. I have said you on the Friday class. Domain name / WP-admin. So what is the domain we have purchased on the day? localtravel.shop / WP/admin. Okay, this is the dashboard, right? I think everyone can see the screen. This is the dashboard. I will log out of it. I'll show you again how to log in. Local travel is the username. Local travel at the rate of okay 2022. Okay, this is the dashboard of the WordPress site. So now I will tell you a small theory. Whether for any business or institute or any software business or any product, first you should have the structure of the sitemap. What is meant by structure? What you should have, for example, ours is training institute, right? Training institute. We are building website for a training institute. Okay. Sitemap structure. So what is the structure we should have first? Home. Next. About us. Next. Our training. In the training, we'll have subpages. What is meant by subpages? It will be called as subcourses. For example, in the training. Okay. Just a second, I'll tell you in the document. About. After about, what is the next thing we need to do? Product or service. So for what we are making? We are making for our training institute, training page. In training page, we'll have subpages. Subpages. Okay. Subpages. If you need blog page, next go to contact page. Okay. In additional, you can keep the trainer portfolio or you can keep like webinar page. People who can join for webinar. You can use this page for both profiles, trainer portfolios and webinars page. So in the home page, what is the first structure we should have? First, we should have about the tagline. What is the tagline of your business? Tagline. Okay. After tagline, there should be about content. So about our business. This about content should be redirected to this about page. Okay. I'll show you in the practical. Next. About your services. Ours is training, right? Training modules or training courses. Next, what should we keep? Testimonials. testimonials. Okay. Next again, about page. And in home page, you can keep the sign up form also. Next, about page. More brief about institute. Maintain a brief about why our institute. You should define your USPs where we have discussed in the starting customer buying cycle. Okay, define the USPs of your institute. Next, team. Always mention your team. This is an added advantage. When students visits your institute website, first they will look in about the team, who are the professional trainers, about their professionality. And in the home page sign up form, you can offer free demo. That is the most USP, unique selling point. Each student used to look for free demo. When I used to work with different institutes, I used to have as many as demos. Like we are maintaining this course, I'm telling you also, I'm ready to give as many as demos, but the counselor should plan the demos like in a systematic way. See, for example, 10 o'clock one student, 11 o'clock one student, 12 o'clock one student. Then it will be very tough for trainer, as well as quality also will lose. So the role of counselor is he or she should plan the demos group wise. At least 3-4 students for demo means that is okay, right? So sign up for free demo. About courses. In the training page, we'll write about all courses. In the sub pages, we'll define each individual course. Also, we'll offer the frequently asked questions. So your students will have the doubts of the courses. What is the course fee? Will you provide placement or module duration, technicality, internship? These are the doubts students will have. So we need to write frequently asked Q&A. Okay. Okay. Next, blog. Different blogs. If you are interested, or you can remove the blog page. Trainer portfolio. Okay, define each individual trainer's portfolio. Next, contact page. There should be must and should. For example, in digital marketing only, there will be different trainers. For example, for short-term course, one trainer, long-term course, one trainer, or like specializations. Or let's take as an example like this, digital marketing training, one trainer, web designing, one trainer, or any Java, one trainer. So you need to define each trainer portfolio. Okay, next, contact page, very important. Don't miss to add Google My Business profile. That is Google Maps. Okay. For example, say I'll show you Google Maps. Digital marketing. Institutes in Kolkata. Go to Maps. These are the Google My Business profiles, which will drive you more traffic in local wise as well as state wise. Okay. More than website, you'll get more calls, engagement, and everything. I'll show you as an example in the SEO class. I'll show you how each individual, for example, like 20 people have joined here, right? How to set up the Google My Business properly and how to drive the proper calls. I will set up for each institute in the SEO class. So it will be very helpful for you to have the SEO class. Okay. Next document, Google My Business, contact details, and most important thing, redirecting the links to the social media profiles. For example, when you go to some websites, you will see like Facebook, Instagram icons, right? DC perform. This is the site. See this pop-up form. These are the USB things. They didn't use it here. Social media icons. One thing I like here is see how they kept the franchise option. Okay. I'll show as an example. Right? Okay, this is redirecting. Got it? So through this also we'll get more sales. So this is the sitemap we have to plan before building any website, not only websites. Before preparing your marketing brochure also, you should define like this. See, for example, marketing brochure, how will you prepare? First, the institute logo and the name. Next, about your institute. Next, your training modules. And next, testimonials, reviews. This is the major point. Many marketing like institutes or products or brands, they are missing in the marketing flyers. The most important thing is testimonials. I'll tell you one point. Many of you have the confusion regarding this. Okay. See in the Google. For example, this is the training center, NYD, right? This has 251 reviews. Okay. This has 172 reviews. This has 196 reviews. So according to you people perception, which will get the first place in the Google? The business profile which has highest reviews or lower than highest also? Did you understand my question? The business which have highest reviews will get the first position, or the website which has less reviews compared to this also will get the first position. According to Google, reviews are just opinion of an individual person. So you will get the ranking based on your keywords and the content. Okay, not based on reviews. I am saying you this point because whenever I agree, there are people who visit the institute based on reviews, who visit to the movies based on reviews. But according to Google, this is not a major factor. Google will consider the quality of content you have given for your business profile in Google and the relevant content you have given. Okay, these are the points you will learn in SEO, but I am repeating these terms from today because you should understand the depth of the subject, how to use your business profiles very relevant to drive sales for the institute. Okay. Hope everyone understands the statement. Reviews are not the major factor to get the ranking. Okay. Then we'll go back to the theory. Okay. Here there is two versions. Okay. In digital marketing point of view, because the most of the people spend money for reviews, for fake reviews, they used to spend thousands of rupees. In that point of view, I have said that review is a just the opinion of individual. But as you said, in the outside, in the traditional marketing, to bring back students, it is very important, reviews to drive sales, but provided you should have the quality reviews. See sir, for example, we got learner skills got 100 students in this month. Okay, let's take as an example 100 students in this month. Okay, if you have the 70 to 80 quality reviews, it will make a very good impact compared to 1,000 fake reviews, right? If you take the testimonials through video bites, it will have much more impact. That is the point I want to say. So don't try the fake reviews. It will affect the loyalty of your institute. As per my suggestion, please take out the more video referral reviews. It will help for us to promote in the social media as well as traditional marketing, or where you can promote in the WhatsApp of your mobiles. That is a very, very good marketing technique nowadays to reach most of the parents. So this is the structure. Next, we'll move back to the practical, how to build a website.